Guys, you're welcome to my channel. So today I want to teach you guys a very simple formula to increase your butt, to increase your buttocks areas with just 2 ingredients, right? Blue seal Vaseline, and we have organic olive oil. That's what I sell. You can order from our website. So let's talk about the olive oil. Olive oil is one of the best remedies if you want to increase your buttocks, if you want to increase your butt. So it actually is very good for the skin. It helps to smoothen, and it also helps to lift up your butt. So it can also be used on breasts, on saggy breasts, so it will help to uplift it. So let's go into the mixture. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to scoop out some of the blue seal. So I've been using it. It's actually small, so let's go. Okay, this should be enough. Okay, it has to come out. Okay, so you can do as many as possible, but for this demonstration I'm just going to use small. So here you go. Now I'm going to open this and add to it. Add too much. There's no specific measurement when you're doing this, so you just have to add, then mix till it forms a lotion. So Vaseline is also very good. So here we go. So it's not going to solidify back because of the olive oil. So when you get to this consistency, you move it into a container and be using it. You can use it morning and night, morning and night, morning and night. So I'm going to show you how you can use it with my hand. Definitely won't show my butt. So after mixing, what you're going to do is going to scoop a little, apply it into your butt just like this, then you massage it in. Hope you guys can see. You massage it into your butt in a circular motion, the way you want the butt to be. So you massage it that way, so you can press it up like in a circular motion. So massage your butt just like this, then you bring it to widen it up, so you guys understand when you're doing it on your butt. So you allow it to go in very well, and put on some pants so it absorbs the heat from your pants will absorb the mixture into your skin. So you have to be doing it on a regular basis to see results. So consistent usage before you can see results. You can see the way I'm doing it. That's how you'll be massaging it on your butt. So all right guys, hope you try it, and let's see your reviews in few weeks. Bye.